Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. In the second video today, guys, let's take a look at the gold market again. So on the daily chart, we mostly are watching for 1302 target. This is major OP target of this ABC top pattern. So as you can see, very good reaction of the market on different targets. So here was COP has been hit 1325. Minor reaction has followed. Market right now is dropping and stands below COP and half road to the OP. At the same time, market right now already stands inside our confluence support area 1311, 1316. But mostly currently, guys, this level is not as strong as it was here, where we have taken long position on this trade. Because first of all, it is not accompanied by the daily oversold, so market has pretty nice free room till the oversold condition here. Second, this level already has been penetrated, so here low was below this level 1307. That's why I think that this level will not be very significant. What is more important here, guys, is these lows. And here we should be extra careful to price behavior around OP, around 13 even area. First of all, this is psychological levels, you know, 13 even, so everybody looks on it and thinking what will happen. Also, guys, take a look at 13 even is the kind of the previous natural support resistance. That's why I think that this level hardly will be very important, but what will be important is these lows. Because as OP target stands slightly below the previous lows just for $5, it means that market could drop, hit OP target, and shows the fast return rate back up. It's kind of the wash and rinse of these lows. Why I'm talking about it, because if you are following our videos on the Forex market, especially on the euro currency, we have talked about it today. Here, guys, mostly the same story. So here is also kind of the double top or something of that sort. Anyway, on the Forex market, we expect some significant retracement up from the on the nearest standing support areas. The same could happen on the gold market. So these levels are not been hit yet. So this should happen within the 1-2 sessions probably. And the gold market also, as you can see, has not reached the OP target yet. But when this will happen, we should be extra careful and keeping an eye on the possible wash and rinse. So if market will drop here and will show fast return rate back up above this B point, it will mean that we should not go short, and this will be a hint that probably this deep retracement up will happen here. Support could turn to the upside. Now we do not speak about the possible further upward continuation, long-term trend, and so on. We are talking just on reaction. So if even 3-8 retracement will happen on a daily chart, this will be very significant action. And the wash and rinse of this B point could be first sign that this will start. If market will drop to OP and start to fluctuate below the B point, it will mean that hardly any significant bounce will happen, so it will not be the wash and rinse, just market will stand this area, that's all. Because also why this could happen, because take a look, OP actually stands very close to daily oversold, so accompanied with the oversold, and that will create another Giordanopolis stops and kind of the key trade. It's a combination of the extension and oversold. So that's another setup that we'll be watching for nearest future on the gold market. Meantime, according to our analysis, we expect downward continuation to the OP within the nearest session since 1302, 1303 is our target. And yesterday we said that we should try to catch minor retracement here on the 4-hour time frame chart, because just COP target has been met. So you can see on this pattern, on this ABCD, COP has been hit, and we said, guys, retracement probably will be very small. Keep an eye on the either 1833 somewhere in this area, or at maximum 1330 is confidence resistance. But I said that 70% probability this will be just a 3-8 retracement. Why? Because drop here was really fast, as on this leg and this one also is very directional action. And this is just COP, guys. That was daily COP, and major retracement already has been done. So market actually now stands in extension leg on the CD leg to the OP target on the daily chart. That's why retracement here probably will be small. So if you have taken the short position right now, you can think about maybe moving stop on the break-even or to protect the position somehow. As markets now is tending lower, so this setup has been completed. Now we just keep an eye on the OP target here as well. So as on the 4-hour time frame chart, as on the daily chart, OP target stands at the same 13 even 1302 area. So that's the destination point will be. So as market already has continued move down, it should not return up again. So if we'll take out of these low tops and continue move higher, this will be a not good sign for the bears. So let's call it in this manner, because downward continuation already has started. So on the hourly chart, guys, yes, the entry opportunity was looking as follows. So we have got kind of the minor ABCD pattern that was forming, and personally I was watching first at this area 1323. That was my entry order initially, because I see the major level. That's also the confidence support, not from that point but from another reaction. And I think that initially thought when I saw this fast action up, I think that I thought market could reach the XOP target. That's why I placed initially entry here. But later, when I saw this market dropping here and taking on and forming a reversal swing, so actually this leg has been erased by this drop, I found that I have missed the agreement. So as you can see, this ABCD OP target right here agrees with the fib level when this downward action has started, actually the 1321, and I have tried to take the position on this minor retracement here. So here's how it was looking. So on this trade, here's my entry point. So when I saw this drop, I have taken the position on the 3-8 retracement. That was my entry at 1318 area. I can't suggest that this will be spike up, because that was mostly on the real estate data release on the United States. That's why I was acting as usual. So we can see that the action has started. I'm just dropping my time frame and taking the first 3-8 retracement here after this drop. So then downward action has started. So my mistake was that I have missed it here as agreement, where actually the position should be taken instead of this area. So if you have taken short position now, you could probably move your stops to the break even or protect your position somehow. See really what will happen next.